Hey everybody, Zero635 here, and today we got unboxing! Yes, this took quite a while to get here due to snow. He's come from New Jersey, so obviously it took him a while because of snow. There's a lot of snow. I also like to thank my friend Anthony for bidding on these for me. Of course, I used my repair money to buy these, but thanks to Anthony for bidding on them for me. Alright. Okay, let's see what we have in this box. Oh, lots of newspaper and whatnot. Okay. Might as well just do this right over here, although you guys can't see anything. All I'm going to say is that, oh sweet. First one out of the box, ooh, this one looks in bad shape, is Sonic Sam. I think this is the red one, I can't remember. Oh, yep. This is the red one. Dang, this one looks nice. Oh, jeez, it is in pretty bad shape. The wheels it has are in excellent shape. And it has batteries. 2 C-cells. No corrosion. Wait, what? It's really old batteries. Of course, his arm is broken. Gonna glue it back on there. He is missing an arm, so the other arm is not really fixable. But it looks really nice. It's gonna need some major repairs. Of course, I have the black one, which is cool. Sweet. Oh wow, and the styrofoam says is like kind of damaged up. Next robot. Oh dang, this one does look in bad shape. This one's broken, I think. Crap, we talk. Nope. Okay, next one we have is one of the rare ones. It's another Zodok. This is the all metallic one. There's like a multicolored kind. It doesn't work as what it looks like because of the torso, so I guess he just needs a new gear piece for his magic gear. And he apparently, I think he has batteries and I think they're corroded. Oh no, there are no batteries and he's not corroded. Well, it's kind of corroded. Actually, this isn't a really too long vid, so I guess I could test. Oh wait, this is 4 AA's? Holy crap. Well then, 4 AA's, what do you know? Yeah, I have some right here in this box. Let me get them out. Let's see. Sure if this one actually fully works by any chance. Kind of a bit of a tight fit with these batteries. Interesting. But yeah, I'll make an update video when these are all functional, and I'll guess the sticker came out. But I'll make some repair videos if it's possible. I'll make some repair videos of me fixing these. So yeah, thank you for watching, and bye.